Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Science Today. It's me, Miss Smith. Today, you're going to get to do some research on your own. So, you're going to get to choose to go to EPIC. You may have gone to EPIC before, or you can go to the virtual library on the next slide. I will show you how to do that. First, you will click here. I haven't linked it yet, so I'm just going to go to the website it will take you to. But once you click on the word here, it's going to take you to EPIC. Well, then you're going to have to click and put in your class code. So my class code, you make sure and put in your teacher's class code, not mine, unless you're in my class. So Miss Smith's class looks like this, and you may see your name here if you're in my class. If you're not in my class, then you wouldn't see your name in mine. You would see your name in your teacher's. If you don't see your name because maybe you haven't been to EPIC before, you can create a profile down here. I'm just going to go to guest because my name isn't in here. Okay, so when you get there, you will see all these awesome books to read. And after science, if you want to come back and read some other interesting books, you can. But I want to show you how to search. So here you're going to type in animals, or I could even click down here and I see animals and their habitats right here. But I'm just going to type in animals in the box and I'm going to press enter. All right, then I see all these interesting animal books. My favorite is to do read to me. When you do read to me, then it will read the book to you. If you go to audiobook, it's not going to show you the picture. So you may want to be able to see pictures. But there are all of these read to me books. Now, if you want to find a book about a different animal, let's say you want to find a book just about owls. You want to read and learn more about owls. Well, here are all these books about owls, and if you wanted to read it to you, you would click on Read to Me. And there are some choices. Now, be careful. Remember, we're trying to find a book that teaches us facts. So like this book might have an owl in it, but it's not about owls, and it doesn't help us learn about owls. It tells us a story. So we would want to pick a book that tells us facts about animals because we're doing research. We're being scientists today. You could choose any other animal that you like. Let's say you like to learn all about sharks. Okay. And then you can see lots of books here. Now, if it doesn't have the green read to me button, then it's not going to read it to you. You're going to have to read it yourself. So if I want to go to read to me, here are some of the books on sharks. Now you'll see that some of them may not, this one's all about weird sea creatures. So a shark is in that book, but it's not all about sharks. This one would be all about sharks, and this one would be all about sharks. So you just have to decide which one you want to read or listen to. Okay, so you can choose EPIC today to do your research, or you could choose to go to this next slide and choose an animal to read about. So you're going to click on one of these books and choose an animal to read about. Then, after you've listened to your book, either on EPIC or from the digital library, you're getting to choose. Then you are going to pick that one animal and you're going to record 2 facts that you learned. We've been learning all about all different kinds of animals this week, but now you are the scientist and you are trying to decide which animal do you want to learn about. So after you've chosen your animal, you're going to record 2 facts that you learned after you've read a book about that animal. You can choose to record the facts here by typing in your answers, or you might choose to write them in your journal as you're listening to the book, and then you can just insert an image on this slide. So you choose either type your answers or write your answers, record your facts, that means things you learned about your animal, and put that on this slide, either typing or taking a picture. I hope you have fun today doing your research, first grade. Remember, Your goal today is to learn 2 new interesting things about an animal and to record those facts that you learned. I can't wait to see what you find out.